Hey you all, today we are going to do a Bantu knot style today. It has its spikes on it, and I think this is a really cute style for the girlies with the short, natural hair because y'all, I know it's hard for us to find some styles. But anyway, this style is easy to achieve, and just stay tuned, continue to watch this video, and you can learn how to do this style as well. Okay, so we're gonna start off with parting my hair into 4 sections. This is easy for me as far as detangling my hair and making sure that I can do this evenly. I go ahead and take the Record Roots leave-in conditioner. This is also a heat protectant, and I use this to blow dry my hair out. After my hair is blow dried, I use my New Grow hair. It's like a grease for the most part, but it has herbs and vitamins in it. So if you have like a hemp grease, this is kind of what it is. But I use that to kind of grease my scalp and my hair and really just add in the vitamins back into my hair. Now for me, I think when doing this hairstyle, you need to make sure that you have enough hair in the top section of your hair versus the back, because the back you're gonna do a bun ponytail type of style, but for the front you want to make sure that you have a lot of space for your Bantu knots. So I use a lot of eye shrimp to make sure that my parts are even and they look good for this style. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled and parted, I will go through the steps of making sure that you have a nice sleek back bun, and we're gonna have the 5 to 6 Bantu knots in the front. So first I want to do the back because I feel like that's just better. Half of me thinks I should do the front first. No, I'm gonna do the back first. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start making the Bantu knot in the back. Okay, so for this style, I start off with my Extreme Holding Gel, and then I go in with my ORS Braiding and Edge Gel. Now, I find that the Extreme Holding Gel is really good at making sure everything's slicked down, but with the Edge Gel, it really just allows my hair to lay. I also go in with my Aunt Jackie's Slicked. This is like a styling gel as well. Now, I did take this track that I found. This is just some piece of hair. I thought the texture was gonna look good. I could braid it in, but you know what? I literally scratched it. I said, no, we're not gonna put any extensions in for the most part. We're gonna just use my hair at whatever length it is, because again, we are embracing our natural hair and the journey of length retention with our natural hair. So now I started to section off my Bantu knots. Now overall, I am looking at a picture to reference how many Bantu knots. I think total I had 6 Bantu knots, and I did my best to make sure that these parts were right. I went ahead, used the same method of layering my products on my section. And for this section, I did like to use my edge brush because that was going to allow my edges to really lay down when I put the rubber band in. Now I went back and found some new hair. This was just regular braiding hair that I found, and I was able to use this as the perfect blend for the Bantu knots. Now I did not go back in the back and add a little hair. I just wanted to add hair for the Bantu knots. I wanted them to be a little fuller. And as you see here, right there is the flare out. So on the ends of the Bantu knots, I don't exactly braid it all the way down. I leave a little bit of hair out so that you're able to see the flare of the hair. So you can cut the hair how you like, you can spike it how you like, you can twist it how you like. But for me, I thought this hairstyle was really, really cute. It was easy to do. After I went ahead and added some pieces, I think adding in hair can give some advantages. Sometimes it can look really fake, sometimes it can look really real. I cut the pieces that I needed and it just came out phenomenal. Okay, you all, so this is the final look. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you have any questions about the products, technique, or just anything, just ask me in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. So I will see you all later. Bye.